Here's the Elliott wave forecast for July 8th, 2008. The Nasdaq still in the 123 down, and right now I'm looking for an upward 4 because it might have completed the downward 3 today at around 22.15. So this week I'm expecting maybe an upward 4 for a reason because of this on the 10-day chart. Let me bring it up. 10-day chart on the Nasdaq. This here could be an ending diagonal. A, B, C, D at the close, and then E at the close also. If there's a drop below 22.20, that could be the final E wave down and ending diagonal. And I expect at least an upward 4 out of this because that's the full downward 3 in the Nasdaq. For the S&P, it has the same thing too. It has the same ending diagonal appearance, A, B, C, D, E. As you know, ending diagonals are the big bottom formation. And I'd be surprised actually that I'm seeing this formation now because the C wave in the indexes seem to have a long way to go, but it's forming right now, and it's probably pretty interesting to see this. As you can see, it could be A, B, C, D, and then E in the S&P 500. I mean, I anticipate if there is a break of a lower low to test 1230, 1235 in the S&P, and then maybe start of a rally tomorrow. But after fading below that to those targets, the Dow doesn't have that formation though. When you look at it, it's just a sideways like 3 humps, like boom, 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 boom. Doesn't have the end diagonal formation, but the S&P and the Nasdaq do. Just something to mention because this is the bottom formation that I've seen dozens, if not like a lot of times. I've seen it a lot of times, and when I do see it, it's at least the short-term bottom. So I anticipate maybe a short-term bottom this week, and also next week there's a lot of puts going from 44 to 49 versus calls that are expiring in next week for the quadruple Qs. And when that happens, the last time that happened of this magnitude was last March, and there was a big rally. So I'd anticipate a rally maybe this week, if not next week, if not a bottom, short-term bottom. That's a wrap.